everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. In today's class, we will do question number 5 of exercise 2.2 from second chapter whole numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us see what is the question. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. On Monday, the driver fills his petrol tank with how much petrol? With 40 liters of petrol. Okay. So, we will do the solution of this question. Petrol used on Monday. Petrol used on Monday is equal to how much? 40 liters. Okay. And the next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. The next day means on Tuesday. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. So, petrol used on the next day liters. Okay. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, means per liter means 1 liter. The cost of 1 liter of petrol is 44 rupees. Okay. So how much did he spend in all on petrol? So how much total money he spent on petrol in these 2 days, on Monday and on the next day? How much money he spent on petrol when the cost of 1 liter of petrol is 44 rupees? Okay, on Monday he used 40 liters of petrol. On the next day he used 50 liters of petrol, and the cost of petrol is rupees 44 for 1 liter. 1 liter of petrol cost rupees 44. Okay. Now suppose I am giving you a small example so that you can understand that how to solve this question. Suppose the cost of 1 liter of petrol is rupees 10, then how much will be the cost of 2 liters of petrol? 2 liters of petrol will cost rupees 2 into 10, which is 20. So we can multiply how many liters of petrol is needed. Suppose 10 liters of petrol is needed and the cost of 1 liter of petrol is 10. So 10 into 10 will be rupees 100. Okay. So how much money he spent on Monday on petrol? So let us find that. Money spent on petrol on Monday is equal to how much? Total amount of petrol is 40 and the cost of 1 liter of petrol is 44. So we will multiply the amount of petrol and the cost of 1 liter of petrol. It will be how much? See, 4 will be multiplied to 44. 4 4 is 16 and this 0. So it is rupees 1760 rupees spent on petrol on Monday. And money is spent on the petrol on Tuesday, on the next day, will be how much? So money is spent on petrol, money spent on petrol on the next day is equal to how much? 50 into 44, which will be 5 will be multiplied to 44. 4 5s are 20, 22 and this 0. So rupees 2200 is spent on petrol on the next day. So how much did he spend in all on petrol? So total money, how much he spent on petrol on these 2 days, Monday and the next day. So total what we have to do, we have to add these amounts. Money is spent on Monday and money is spent on the next day. If we add these two, we will get the total money he has spent on petrol on these 2 days. So total money spent on petrol in these 2 days is equal to, we have to add these two. Rupees 1760 plus rupees 2200, which equals to, see, we will add here 1760 and 2200. So it is 3960. It is rupees 3960. Okay. So the total money spent on petrol in these 2 days is equal to 3960. Okay. So we got the answer. How much money did he spend in all on petrol? So total money spent on the petrol is this one. This is 3960. Now we will do this problem with other method. We will make use of the distributive property and then we will solve this problem. Okay, because in this chapter whole numbers we have learnt about the properties of whole numbers. So to solve this word problem, it is a word problem. Okay, we will make use of the distributive property, the properties which we have learnt in this chapter. We'll make use of that property and then we will solve this problem. Okay, so understood this method. We will now do it with a different method. Now let us do this problem with the second method. Second method. See, petrol used on Monday. Petrol used on Monday is equal to how much? 40 liters. Petrol used on the second day. Petrol used on the second day is equal to 50 liters. Okay. So total petrol. So total petrol used on these 2 days is equal to 40 plus 50 liters, right? Can we write it like this? Total petrol used on these 2 days is equal to 40 plus 50 liters. Okay, and the cost of, if the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, means the cost of 1 liter of petrol is rupees 44. So cost of 1 liter of petrol See, cost of 1 liter of petrol is equal to rupees 44. Okay. So, how much money will be spent on this petrol? Because this is the total petrol used on Monday and on the next day. So, total amount of petrol used is this. So, how much money will be spent on the petrol? The cost of 1 liter. The cost of 1 liter of petrol multiplied by the total amount of petrol used in these 2 days will be the money spent on petrol in total. Okay, so what we will do? Total money spent on petrol in these 2 days is equal to the cost of 1 liter of petrol multiplied by the total amount of petrol used in these 2 days will give the total money spent on petrol. Okay, so now let us solve this one. So what is this? This is rupees 44 multiplied by 40 plus 50. Now what we can do? It means that 44 should be multiplied to 40 also and 44 should be multiplied to 50 also. How can we do that? By using the distributive property which we have learned in this in the introduction part of this chapter, whole numbers. Okay, so 44 into 40 plus sign and 44 multiplied by 50. Okay, so now we have to multiply these two. So now we will add these. This is rupees and this also is rupees. So it will be rupees. If we add these two, what we will get? This is 3960. So in the first method also we got the same answer, this 3960, and by this method also we got the same answer. Here we have used the distributive property which we learned in the introduction part of this chapter. So we have done this problem with the two different methods. Okay. If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the videos. In the next class, we will do question number 6 of the same exercise 2.2 from same chapter, whole numbers, from 6th class maths NCERT book. So meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.